Hello and welcome to this meditation. So get comfortable, get set, and let's get started. So go ahead and close your eyes. Let's take a couple deep breaths to get settled into the space here. Deep breath in. And out. Good. Deep breath in. And out. A deep breath in. Out. One more deep breath in. And out. Great work. Now continue to breathe naturally at your own pace. And I want you to think of a time in your life or just a situation that would make you happy. It doesn't have to be something that already happened. Just think of something that would make you happy right now. Where would you want to be? What would you want to do? Doesn't have to be elaborate. Could be reading a book by a fire, at the beach, spend time with family. Try to put yourself there fully. Okay, that was nice, wasn't it? So while I can't know what you pictured, I pictured being at home with my wife, next to a cozy fire, watching a movie together. Alright, so now let's go on to something more neutral. Let's just pick something random, something where doesn't make you happy, doesn't make you angry or sad, just something like, yeah, that was something. So this could be going to the grocery store, driving, maybe getting ready for bed. Just a neutral experience that's not too great, not too bad. Visualize yourself doing it. Notice the close to neutral feelings, hopefully. Alright, so I pictured myself getting the mail. I don't know, seemed pretty neutral. And then let's do real quick, last one. Let's think of an experience or something that would be unpleasant. Doesn't have to be super bad, but just something that's like, I don't like that. Maybe going to the doctor, sitting in traffic, giving a presentation. Notice the feelings that come up with this. All right. You may open your eyes. I wish we didn't end on the negative one. Sorry about that. But what I pictured was traffic. I have to drive home and traffic after work, and it's not fun. The point of doing this little exercise, I'm getting to the point, is that I'm imagining that what you visualized for all three scenarios was different than mine, right? And all the other viewers that did this with us also had different things. Now the reason is, of course, is everybody's different people, but to be more specific, it's because of something called mental and emotional conditioning. So every person is obviously unique. We all have our own different set of genetics. We've had our different upbringing, different culture, and all these different things, different age, different time in which we grew up. So all of these different things that make us who we are is what makes us unique, and that's called our mental and emotional conditioning. And that's important because it does make us different, and it means that we react differently to different things than other people would. It also means we have different beliefs, we have different views, we have different reactions to situations. And as we meditate more and more, we become familiar with our own mental and emotional conditionings. Things that maybe you do that maybe you don't necessarily like. Things that maybe were taught to you as a child, and that through adulthood, as you get older and you see other people, like, oh, not everybody does it that way. That's also mental and emotional conditioning. So the more we sit and meditate, the more we notice these things, and then over time, we can maybe soften these rough edges, so to speak. We just get to know ourselves a little bit better. So that's mental and emotional conditioning in a nutshell. I hope you found that information helpful. If so, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.